So we are going to Cafe Oriente.
What are you looking at? Oh, Italia. Hurry.
Hello. Yay, it's here.
Thank you.
감사합니다. Yay.
Yes. Traditional.
Yeah.
What is this?
It's like a jello.
And she ordered everything.
Yange? Yange?
What do you call this?
Yange?
양갱?
I don't know.
뭐라고 하지?
양갱인가?
양갱? So we're done with our chit chat at the cafe today. We're off to Hongdae to meet David and some of his friends. I'll be with Hattie. Let's go. Hattie, why did you copy my outfit? I know. So that's my look. Now she's wearing it. Okay, we're off to see David. This is Jelly. And of course you know David.
야 대박이야 진짜.
Nick! My new friends. Say hi to the Philippines. We're having Korean barbecue. Like babies. Everything is served in one go. Go Jelly. Don't burn it. Oh my god. I'm shy. What? My first time actually. From the more experienced vloggers.
Hi guys, I'm helping Jello.
Hey.
What are you eating today?
I'm eating samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal? Is it yummy?
Yeah, very.
I'm like that mom. I'm like a mom. Like
You should teach me how to vlog.
just be yourself and dream big. Okay, mukbang.
Learn from the masters. Wow. This is my new friend.
I said I really like you.
Oh, I like you too.
Yay! You're so sweet.
His outfit is everything. So nice. I just met her like an hour ago.
I know, I just met you too, and I'm just like, I love you.
Hey, I just met her.
And then I don't know.
Real?
Crazy. So here's my number.
We have lights here.
So call me baby. If we should go there or
Rock,
there.
paper, scissors, shoot. Oh my god, again. Rock, paper,
This is intense. Oh!
Oh my bag.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay. So just don't worry. Just enjoy it. Let's enjoy it. Hattie. Twinning. We're wearing the same thing. We're wearing the same thing.
I copy your
Style. This is Alex. Do your hair flip. No. You match the whole area. Hi friends. Not bad. Hey, finally! Over here. Camera time! Oh my gosh. Millennials.
Okay, we can go now. I'm not even filming for this little sketch. Yeah.
Millennials. Thank you. 감사합니다. Cheers this way. Cheers. Cheers. Oh my gosh. We're going bowling tonight. Bowling. Aren't you excited? These are my teammates. We're so ready. Dab it. How do you do this?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I'm the worst. Good job, Jello. 0. Wow. So we got more spares. Woo! Oh, jelly.
Yes.
Oh! I'm tired. Last round for everyone. Super close fight. We won.
We went easy on you guys.
It was a good fight though.
Yeah, because look how close we can see.
I know. 411, 436. And it's the nails.
Yeah, we all have nails. It's hurting. Oh no.
Oh no. Bye. Bye. Bye everyone. See you soon. Nice meeting you. So quiet.
Bullying.
So that ends day 2 of the vlog here in Seoul, South Korea. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, do whatever you want, and ring my bell.
Taxi.
Okay, taxi. 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 Taxi.